All right, if you're watching this, you're applying for a maintenance position with Discovery Kids. Real quick, I'll tell you a little bit about it. We have two centers, one in Fruita, one in Grand Junction. We've been around 17 years. We've got pretty good size campus in Junction. Probably about 80% of the work typically needs to be done there. This job could be done in somewhere between 25 hours to 40 hours a week, just kind of depending on where we're at. It also depends on how handy and how much ability you have with construction type projects and so forth. There's a lot of light maintenance, a lot of upkeep, landscaping, that kind of stuff, and keeping our both facilities curbside appeal looking great. If you can keep a workbench organized, then keep watching. If not, shut the video off now. All right, to stand apart from all other candidates, applicants, because we're going to get a bunch on this, clearly, do a video resume. Flip your phone around just like I'm doing, introduce yourself, and give me a video resume. Just tell me about, where you've worked, what your level of skill and comfort is with things like electrical, plumbing, that kind of thing. And, I was going to say a couple of our buildings are 100 years old on 7th Street. So there is some, again, minor repair, but again, it really depends on who I've got. So you're going to have to pass a background check because you're going to be working in and around kids. We may have you step in to a classroom if we're in a pinch for a little bit. So that's going to be part of that job responsibility as well. And you're not changing diapers, that kind of stuff. So yeah, shoot me a little quick message. It might be a minute or 3 or longer, whatever. And set yourself apart from all the other applicants. All right. And you can send that message, your video, send it over to fruitakids@gmail.com, and it'll be on the ad on Indeed, as well as you might find this somewhere else. So, all right, that's the scoop. Make sure I have your resume. Again, I encourage you to do this video deal. Lets me know who I'm talking about, and I always respond to these first. So, all right, have a great one.